My name is Prateek and welcome to my course JavaScript Functions. I'm a senior staff engineer at eBay. JavaScript has consistently been listed as the most commonly used programming language, and functions are at the very heart of JavaScript. In this course, you are going to learn how functions can help you write modular, reusable, and maintainable code. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include functions and scope, arrow functions, call, apply, and bind methods, REST parameters, and the spread operator. By the end of this course, you'll know not only how to write your own functions, but also call and leverage the power of existing functions. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of JavaScript like variables, expressions, and conditional statements. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn functions with the JavaScript Function course at Pluralsight.